Heart Aerospace unveils new electric aircraft. Air Canada invests and orders 30 planes. You got electric, you got aircraft, two things I like, and then you added Air Canada to it?
Yeah, that's the real trifecta.
Which is like, oh, that's a triple T. Mm-hmm. That's a TikTok territory right there. I mean, I fly Air Canada is the only one that makes sense out of Toronto, to be honest with you. Mm-hmm. This is not something I expected to see this soon. Now, granted, I'm guessing this is a pre-order for like way in the future.
Yeah, and this is kind of like a private plane. It's the shape of it. So it's not like a Boeing 777 or something.
No. But it's definitely not going to be private if Air Canada is buying it. They want to put one. They want to put you.
Oh,
on
what
it.
I'm trying to say is it looks like a private.
Oh yeah. It's a smaller scale for sure, but
smaller.
it would be a big private plane though. Air Canada announced and invested in Heart Aerospace electric airplane startup, ordering 30 units of its new version of the first electric aircraft. Swedish-based startup. Unveiling the ES-19 19-seat electric aircraft meant for short flights. Yeah, I guess 19 seats is not very much now that I think about it. That's going to be some short hop type flights, 250 miles or 400 kilometers of what? Of range. Wait a second.
They're talking about short flights.
What? How are you going to, what are you going to do with that? I don't even know what you're going to do with that.
Just from city to city.
I don't even think you, like, your electric car, like, what's going on here?
Yeah.
Okay. You like this?
I mean,
250 miles? I guess. Where am I going?
You're saving the environment.
Where am I going from here? I'm going to Detroit or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
got to get to the bottom of this right now. How far is Detroit? I got to get to the bottom of this right now. I mean, it exists. That is a flight, but then you got to recharge it when it lands, and that's a big battery, Will.
Yeah, and you would also need a airstrip, right?
Well, yeah. Well, yeah, you got to land at the airport.
Yeah.
So you're
Pearson to Billy Bishop or something?
No, get out of here. That's right across the street. Okay, Toronto to Detroit is 383 kilometers. So that's actually the perfect flight for this thing. But then, like I said, it's got to land and recharge when it gets there.
Yeah, and that will take a while.
And so I don't know. This is going to be a whole new thing, isn't it? Trying to figure out how to.
Sure.
That's 2 days in a row that this thing was not on Do Not Disturb, and I'm about to lose it. You know that, Will? I'm about to lose it on myself. I'm about to lose it on myself. Mm-hmm. Didn't you say we were supposed to go to Nando's? What happened to that?
No, when we get the special car next week.
Was that a teaser? Because you said special car instead of... Wow. That
instead of the...
subtle teaser.
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll find out.
Well, anyway, so that's obviously the issue with these is at first, I mean, it's electric. It's in the sky. It's all very impressive, but at least at first it's going to be short flights. We can deal with that. We'll deal with that.
It looks cool, too.
It looks very cool.
Yeah.
I don't know what Air Canada is going to do with 30 of them. I guess you're going to be flying probably to Detroit. Maybe you can fly to Ottawa, probably. That'd be close.
Okay, yeah.
Where else can we fly? I'm just going to do like a quick one around here. Maybe Pittsburgh's too far. Can you make it to Montreal? No, probably not. Anyway, I guess it depends where you're at. If you're starting in New York, then Philadelphia is okay. You can probably make it to Baltimore. You could go from New York to Connecticut somewhere. You could maybe make New York to Boston. So, okay, well.
Yeah. Well, the idea is electric planes. They're coming out, and
yeah, and it's no different than with cars when we first looked at it and we were like, the range isn't great. And then guess what happened? It improved rapidly.
Sure.
And I think it was just funny when I was looking at a plane and I saw that my car has more range.
Yeah.
That just kind of messed my brain up a little bit. But you're right. It's early stuff. You're being lenient. We're being lenient. It is 216 miles on the road, not as the crow flies from New York to Boston.
What does that mean?
On the road, so you have a little bit of this. to get to your 216 miles.
It's not a straight shot.
A plane would take it different. As the crow flies.
Okay. Are we back into Game of Thrones? What's happening here?
As the crow flies. Do you understand that?
Is it like a straight shot?
No.
The crow?
No.
No?
No, not just that. You have that, but it's not just that. Direct path between 2 points, similar to a beeline. But as the crow flies, the crow doesn't have to adapt for elevation, right? The goat might. You might. Your electric car might. The crow just goes beeline, straight shot. In other words, it's not going up and down hills, which would add kilometers to its travel.
That's what I said, and you're like, no.
No, because I'm not talking about a straight line. I'm talking about a straight line this dimension and a straight line this dimension.
Oh, man, we're talking about dimensions
You understand
now?
what I'm saying?
Jeez.
There's no peaks and valleys
Okay.
like this. Because you could still have a straight line and be going up and down elevation, which is going to change the amount of total distance traveled.
Completely the direct path. In all accesses, all
Yes,
dimensions.
accesses. The crow's been doing it, man. The crow knows.
All right. All right.
We cut over the fields at the back with him between us, straight as the crow flies through hedge and ditch. Crows must actually do that. Crows do conspicuously fly alone across open country, but neither crows nor bees fly in particularly straight lines. So it's goofy that we say that.
Okay.
The lines are not straight enough.
All right.
Early 19th century appeared in Charles Dickens' 1838 novel Oliver Twist. Wow. Well, listen. Sometimes you got to get to the bottom of something. I don't even know if I'm right or not. The fact of the matter is, when it comes to an airplane, it's going to take hopefully a more direct path than a car or got somebody on foot or a crow for that matter.
Yeah.